There, welcome back to my channel, Simple Software Tips. Today I'm going to be showing you how to request indexing for your website. So today I'm currently on the Google Search Console and I'm in the pages index portion of the back end of the website. And you can see I've got 3 different pages that are not currently indexed because they are excluded by a no index tag. This was when I had my website as privated or not active yet, and so you really don't want anyone going to it when it's private. I'm going to show you, let's go ahead and click on this line where it says excluded by no index tag, and we can validate the fix. And it's going to process a little bit, and maybe it'll ask me to validate. Sometimes it asks us to do like a reCAPTCHA or choose like the different photos if it meets this criteria, but it didn't ask us to do that. So it'll take probably 2 to 3 days to validate this fix that it'll be excluded by not excluded by a no index tag. Another way that you can do this is you can go to inspect URL and you can test live URL. This might take a minute or two, but essentially it's just going to search if this is on the website or not, reviewing the no index tag on it to see if it is live. And then when you're done, if you can see this, there's a request indexing that you can go ahead and have. So I'm going to request indexing right now. And that is another way that you can request indexing. I find that this one, where you are on the indexing and you're requesting it by a page by page basis, is a lot faster than when you go in and you request it through all of the ones here. So I can go ahead and do this again where let's do the home page. That one would be good. Or just the first simplesoftwaretips.com. And it looks like it's on Google, so I'm going to request it to be indexed, and that definitely takes probably a month less in my experience for it to be indexed. So it's worth it to come in here and do that, but there is a limit around 10-ish a day that you can request for indexing for all of your websites. So I have like 6 different websites in Google Search Console right now, and I can only do 10 of them across all 6 websites. So if you have a lot of websites and a lot of pages, this is going to take a long time, but it's definitely worth it. And going one by one will typically be a lot faster because it probably takes 2 days versus like a month if you do it by the groups. So I hope that you found this helpful. If you like these Google Search Console tutorials, let me know. Be sure to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.